Hello everyone, welcome to NaNoMechadis, and today we are going to see Integrated Grammar Part 1, that is editing exercises. And it is one of the most important one because it carries 4 marks in your question paper. So let's see. Before doing any changes in the sentence which has been given to you, you should read the sentence at least 5 times to get the hold where is the incorrect word. Okay, so make that box, tabular box in your answer sheet. Write once the incorrect word, write the correct word, read at least 2 times with the correct word the sentence is making any sense or not. Okay, now let's see some examples. The first one, tsunami is a series in waves generated in a body from water through an impulsive disturbance causing damage to property or loss of life. Do one thing, pause the video, move back the video for 10 seconds and read it at least 3 to 4 times. So now let me know what all were the incorrect words. Do comment below. And now let us cross check your answers. First one, in, and in will change to of, right? Now the second one, from, right? From to of. In the third sentence, through to by. And now the fourth one is or to and. Now let's read the sentence with the correct words. Tsunami is a series of waves generated in a body of water by impulsive disturbance causing damage to property and loss of life. Is it clear now? Let's do one more. Okay. Sachin Tendulkar is a best cricketer in India. He has played for more than 20 years on the country. He retired from the games last year. He is known for his skills in batting and fielding. Okay. Say, do the same thing again, pause it, go back and read it 2 times. Identified the wrong words? Let's cross check. The incorrect words are play, on, games and no. Correct? Now let's change these incorrect words to correct words. The first one is play. Play to played, the past tense, played. Is it on? No. On to? For. Games? No. It will go to singular ones, that is game. And the last one, no to known. Right? And this was the editing exercise or the editing question which was given in the question paper of 2019. So be careful and do it again. And this third question is for you to do it yourself and comment below your answers. The incorrect answers will be corrected by myself. Here's the question. So like, share it with your friends, classmates and subscribe.